Dr. Marshall, sorry.
That's all right. Wichita State University has a creation center, and they are able to use artificial intelligence to, in their case, to say, design the perfect, most structurally sound wing for an airplane or a jet with the least material. And I'm just curious if you've tried to use artificial intelligence to drive the perfect helmet, the perfect turf, the perfect, what we're trying to get at here, if you guys are using artificial intelligence anyway in your companies.
Well, it's not not quite artificial intelligence in the traditional sense, but we did have an optimization software and an optimization procedure, which seeks to find the path to the right material. So we input the inputs to it are the parameters and what ranges you'll allow it to have. You know, between a stiffness of X and Y, or a dimension between A and B, and so on. And then the software will run multiple simulations in order to try and find the optimum solution. So it's a way of optimization that's a little bit different than artificial intelligence, but it's maybe a little bit along those lines.
I think the shear forces, especially the artificial intelligence, may be able to help us to figure out not just what material, but how to place it. Dr. Fasolka, you guys doing anything at NIST with it?
Yeah, so the place for artificial intelligence at NIST is really within the Materials Genome Initiative, which
the what? I'm sorry.
The Materials Genome Initiative.
Okay.
It's a multi-agency initiative. It's DoD, DOE, NIST, NSF, really aimed at accelerating materials design and deployment. And so, and using these kind of techniques. So the idea, of course, is to have a design-forward sort of approach, a lot of computation, ways of optimizing that. You know, artificial intelligence is sort of there's a continuum from, you know, sort of modeling to something that really looks like a human brain thinking about things. But in the middle, you know, we're using these very clever computational techniques to get to an optimum. Yeah. So we are partnering as the next step in our research, using a Materials Genome Initiative approach with our Center of Excellence, the NIST Center of Excellence for Hierarchical Materials Design in the Chicago area, to really have a use case on, can you use these kind of artificial intelligence approaches to design materials that do exactly what you're talking about, really optimize the shear response, optimize while keeping that compression response. Mm-hmm. So yeah, so that's what we're embarking on next.
Thank you.